everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in a new challenge, which is the Dollar Tree DIY challenge, and the theme is sunflowers. It is hosted by actually Alli, and her co-host this time is Brittany Allen Crafts. I will link as usual their channels and the playlist in the description box. Please pay a visit to their channels. They are absolutely amazing and creative and inspiring. Also, please watch the videos in the playlist, so you will get a lot of inspiration also from other creators. Well, as I said, the theme is sunflowers, and it's supposed to be a Dollar Tree challenge. These flowers are not from Dollar Tree. I hope you know by now that my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so these flowers are from one of our dives at Michael's. We got them for free, and I will link our channel Dumpster Chicks also in the description box, so you can pay a visit and have a lot of fun with our treasures. This greenery is from Dollar Tree. All these leaves are from Dollar Tree. I also use some burlap ribbon and other items like mini palms and a sign from Dollar Tree, and these burlap leaves. All these things are from Dollar Tree, but not these flowers, and not this frame that you are seeing here. This is also from Michael's, from the dumpster. Well, let's start. When I have to make an arrangement in a sign, a frame, something like that, the first thing I do is to place everything and find how I like the arrangement, and then before moving it, I place just a few dots here and there of glue to keep everything in place, so I can remove the arrangement and work on other things, and then I can place it and it's exactly as I first envisioned it and saw it when I rehearsed. So now that this arrangement is completely adhered, you see, I cut the rest of the stem. I'm going to start working on placing it on the frame. So I want this to go in this corner of the frame, and this leaf is supposed to be this way, so I will start gluing this here. Oh, I forgot my finger protectors. I love them. No more burnt fingers. Now I'm going to complete it. I'm going to adhere this to the frame. Here. I'm making a mess with hot glue, but then when it is dry I can remove everything that is not supposed to be there. So I'm going to glue this here. I'm going to glue this greenery here. Maybe a little bit here. Okay. This one. It's not something that is going to be moved. It's going to be hanging from a wall, so it doesn't matter if I don't glue absolutely everything. Of course I'm going to glue this stem here later, but first I want to finish the front. Why may I add some hot glue now? To keep this in place a little bit. Yeah. Then I will add more from behind. Now I'm going to add some pumpkins. I think I'm going to place a white one here, well, of white. Let's apply a little bit of pressure and let the glue dry a bit. I'm going to add a dot here, and I'm going to glue this so it will be in place. Okay. I'm going to add another white here, I think. Let me see. I have this head that I made a long time ago and I never use it. It's just half of a styrofoam bowl from Dollar Tree. I added some raffia, and this is the famous burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I don't remember where I bought these mini leaves many years ago. And I made the ribbon, and I covered the half bowl and painted the face, and I finally never use it, so I'm going to use it now. So let me see how it looks. Yes, I think that's, yes, I'm going to add this pumpkin here. Like so. Again, it needs more time to dry, but well, if it comes off I will fix it later, because I don't want to make this video a movie. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to add the little head. I need another stick. Let me see. I think I will need to add more glue. I should have glued the head first to the pumpkins and then the pumpkins to the greenery, but now it's too late, so I'll do my best to get it at the end. Okay. Anyways, I will add more later if needed. I don't want to have you looking at my hand pressing things for an hour. Doesn't want to stick there, I don't know why. I have problems with styrofoam sometimes and the glue gun. Sometimes I end up adding A6000 because I don't know why it's hard to add it to this kind of material. Okay, bear with me please. Okay, so now I'm going to use this sign from Dollar Tree and I'm going to add it here like so. A lot of hot glue. You know, that's something we usually find at the dumpster at Michael's. A lot of glue sticks, hot glue sticks. I haven't bought glue sticks in a long time thanks to Michael's dumpster. This doesn't belong here. Okay, again we have to wait. Sorry. Let's sing a song. Okay. And this came with this little pumpkin here, but I decided I wanted something different, so I took one of these pumpkins and I cut it in half and I'm going to adhere it here. Again, let's pray that the styrofoam is going to get glued where I want it. Okay. I have to clean all this residue later. And now the last thing I'm going to add, okay, I'll clean everything later, is this little ribbon in this corner. That's a final touch. Oh, this bow didn't have this kind of berry, so I took one from the greenery and I adhered it here because I thought it gave it a better look. So let me add some hot glue here and here. I'll add the bow and then I will add the pumpkin that came here. And I'll add it. I need more sticks. I'll add it here as a final touch. Again, silence because I'm pressing an item to glue it. Okay, and that will be mainly it. As you can see, this is the final item. I'm going to glue some of these leaves here, or the petals, in fact, to be able to move this more easily. Anyways, it's going to be hung, so it's going to be against the wall. Nothing is going to move much nor fall. Only fall will fall. But I feel better if this is glue. Maybe this petal also. I'm in frame. No, I'm out of frame. Sorry. So I glued this one, and then now I'm gluing this one. So this is the final result. I'm going to hang it from a wall, and I really like how it looks. It screams fall for me. And I hope you like it too. Again, thanks to the hostess for hosting this challenge. I loved it, honestly, and thank you to all of you, to both of them and to all of you for watching this video. Please visit their channels and watch the videos in the playlist. And if you want, please visit our dumpster diving channel, as I said before. That would be really great. I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Give me a thumbs up, that will help me a lot to grow my channel. And ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Of course, I hope to see you in my next one. And as usual, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.